got time for that.
Hello, this is Hung. You see? A very familiar error. I think many of you have encountered the same problem when using the LumaFusion. And you know that error make me a lot of headache. And after many hours and effort of editing the video, and the final step I could not finish. I could not export the video successfully. Yeah, just crazy. And after many days of searching for the solution, I think I found a very simple way, very easy way to solve this problem when using the LumaFusion. Yeah, very simple. And let's start. You can see in any window of the LumaFusion, we can tap on the Help and Settings button. Press and hold that button to see the explanation of each button in the window. Now tap on the Projects button and you can see a new window, that is the Projects Manager window. And now you can choose the project that has the error of uploading. Then tap on the Duplicate button. If you want to see again the explanation of each button, press and hold Help and Settings again. Then next step, tap on the Optimize button and you can see the window appear. Choose the first option, Optimize and Consolidate. Okay, just wait it until finish. When the optimize process complete, there will be a Windows open and press the OK button, and the optimized clip will automatically appear. Here you can choose to export the video clip as normal. Before export, you need to check the storage of your iPad, if it is enough storage for the video. Success our error. Finally successfully. You see, I think everyone can succeed exporting the video like me. Okay, if you have any problems or errors related to LumaFusion, see this website for other solutions, and this website can help you to solve the error related to LumaFusion. Okay, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and leave your comment if you have any other problems or issue to this LumaFusion. Thank you.
Bye, have a great time.